In today's episode, we're going to be looking at mixtures.
Hey guys, my name is Gary and welcome to Synergy's new syllabus web series. We know that many of you guys out there will struggle with the new syllabus, so we decided to create this web series to help you smash your HSC. So let's get started.
So what is a mixture? Before we start looking at mixtures, we need to start looking at pure substances. Any sort of substance that has a uniform or unchanging composition is considered to be pure. So what's an example of a pure substance? A really good example will be anything on the periodic table because they're essentially elements. So things like your metals, your non-metals, your semi-metals, your noble gases, things like that. So those are all counted as pure substances. A mixture is a combination of two or more pure substances in which each pure substance retains its individual chemical properties. So mixtures can be composed of things like solids, liquids, or even gases. When we define mixtures, we actually define them in two different ways. The first is your heterogeneous mixtures, and the second is your homogeneous mixtures. So going through those two types, what are they? A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that does not blend smoothly throughout and in which the individual substances remain distinct. So have you ever squeezed orange juice and you have pulp floating in it, or even orange juice in the supermarket? Well, those are heterogeneous mixtures. And the reason why is because the pulp continues to float inside the orange juice instead of smoothly mixing with the juice component. And that's it. So that's what a heterogeneous mixture is. Pretty easy. So now moving on to homogeneous mixtures. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture that has a consistent composition throughout. A really good example of a homogeneous mixture is metal steel. Right? It's made of a combination of iron and carbon. And what that means is that steel has a uniform composition, right, of both carbon and iron, and so that's also called an alloy. This means that no matter what, whether you have 1 gram or 1 kilogram of steel, you'll have a piece of constant composition. This is what makes a homogeneous mixture. For solutions even, you would have things like salt water. Right? Salt water is a perfect example of a homogeneous solution. And so that's it, that's what homogeneous mixtures are. Just to summarize the lesson, so remember, a mixture is a composition of two or more pure substances. A homogeneous mixture has a constant composition throughout and is commonly referred to as a solution. A heterogeneous mixture does not have a uniform composition and the individual substances retain their property.
Thanks for watching today's video. I hope that our web series will bring you immense amounts of value for your studies and the HSC. For more information, visit our website synergyhsc.com. Stay tuned for the next episode.